The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 marks a new era in Russian aviation technology. Designed as a next-generation stealth interceptor, this aircraft is set to replace the legendary MiG-31, bringing hypersonic capabilities and cutting-edge weaponry to the skies. Design and aerodynamics. The MiG-41 features a sleek, futuristic airframe built with advanced composite materials to minimize radar detection. Its aerodynamic shape and variable air intake design allow it to operate efficiently at altitudes exceeding 65,000 feet, making it one of the fastest interceptors ever conceived. Engine and performance. Powered by next-generation turbojet engines with afterburners, the MiG-41 is expected to achieve speeds over Mach 4.3. This extreme performance enables it to intercept hypersonic missiles and enemy aircraft long before they reach Russian airspace. Technology and avionics. Equipped with AI-assisted targeting systems and next-gen radar capable of detecting stealth fighters, the MiG-41 stands at the forefront of aerial defense. It can operate both manned and unmanned, giving it unmatched versatility in future combat scenarios. Weapons and capabilities. The MiG-41 can carry long-range air-to-air missiles, directed energy weapons, and even anti-satellite systems. Its design prioritizes high-speed interception and beyond visual range combat, giving it a decisive edge in future warfare. Conclusion. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in air defense. With hypersonic speed, stealth design, and advanced weaponry, it represents Russia's most ambitious step toward the future of aerial supremacy. Subscribe to Bike Zone for more updates on the world's most advanced aircraft and defense technology.